do you think about what's happened today and discussion?
What happened today was an important opportunity for people to voice their views about the status of policing in Oakland. Surprisingly, most people are not that well informed about what has been happening with the NSA.
Right.
A lot of work has been done over the last 10, 12 years about improving the quality of policing in Oakland. We've had a lot of good successes. We're still at the end, if you will. We got at least 2 more tasks that need to be completed. My sense is that we're going to get those done within a year and a half. Now, it is true. One of the most important tasks is racial profiling.
Right.
The stop data information that everyone's talking about. To me, that is the crux of this whole case, because that's why we got involved in the case, because of black people being stopped unnecessarily, beaten, false arrests, etc. So getting a handle on racial profiling, to me, is the critical, most important issue. And we can do all of this, and it wouldn't matter to me if we don't get racial profiling under control.
Question, and it's also a question if I can track down the police chief, but why is it that the police don't seem to screen to teach not to racially profile? Or do they? Because
they haven't really done that. Look, these people they hire are people who come from very small communities. They also come with a certain stereotypic mindset about African Americans, and they buy into that. And the culture that existed before allowed you to do that. So there wasn't a real commitment to me to find people who are non-racial in their mindset in terms of the implicit bias that may exist. Now, a lot more work is being done there now. Whether we will get to it, who knows. But there is real concern as to who's being hired, where they come from, how are they raised. These are critical issues. And obviously you want more people from Oakland, if nothing else, because they know the lingo, they know the dance, they know the bop. Just because you have your pants low doesn't mean that you're a criminal.
Right.
Just because you talk in a certain way doesn't reflect that you're a bad person or that you have to know good. So you need people from the community to talk about this. And so that's why it's important to me. On the other hand, you can't get people from Oakland if you spend a lifetime beating these people up or beating up their mother, humiliating their dad, dragging the mother and father out of the house. You can't expect the children to grow up and respect the police. Or you're stopping them on the street unnecessarily so, hassling them. I've had kids who have been stopped 20 times or more, stopped, searched, etc. That does not bode well. And I can't say that has ended. I'm just saying we're not having as many forcible beatings that we had before. But I also think video cameras will play a major role in all of this. Because when you on camera, everybody gets to see you on camera. You get to see yourself on camera. It will have a deterrent effect on, I think, on the brutality of the police.
Thank you, John.